Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add shadow to your text in CapCut. So first, you just need to write the text. Click on Add Text. Okay, and here you can just choose the font that you want. Okay, I'm going to use this one and adjust the size. And to add a shadow, you can go to Style and here click on Shadow. So choose the color of shadow that you want. So for example, I'm going to change the font first into this color, and then click on a shadow and choose the color of shadow that you want. Okay, I'm going to choose black and adjust the opacity. If you want to make the shadow less visible, you can just swipe the opacity to the left, but if you want to make it more bold, you can just swipe to the right like this. And here you can also adjust the blur, the distance of this shadow, and also the angle. Okay, when you're done, just click on the check icon, and that's basically it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye!